force in the x direction is therefore so what is that we do is see here tau xx into dy dz plus 1 I am going to show you. Similarly, you have to do the rest. Tau xx into dy dz dx into u plus dou by dou x into dx minus what? Tau xx into dy dz u. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ
Sir, tau xx dy dz u will get cancelled.
huh? Okay, then afterwards see be careful here you have u this thing and this. Okay, if you just try to do this that get cancelled out. Okay, after that tell me it will be a very big expression, not simple one, not like a previous one. Of course that get cancelled out, but afterwards this thing is there na u into it is not simple. So you're going to end up like this. Please try to work it out. Dou by dou x of see tau xx into dy dz dx into u. Is it okay? So I'm multiplying this with the bracket plus can you tell me what is that? Plus
Sir, dou by dou x of tau xx dy dz is
tau
into
xx into dy dz. Wait, I'll tell you. Into this into dou u by. Sorry, here I have left out. This is u. So this is be very very careful here. This both we need to multiply. Is it okay? Please be careful. Dou u by dou x into dx dou xx into dy dz into dou u by dou x into dx plus dou by dou x into tau xx into dy into dz into dx into dou u by dou x into dx. Dou u by dou x into dx. Okay, now you just see here. This you can simplify it. This you can simplify it and try to write it as equal to. You can try to write it like this: dou by dou x of u into tau xx. So you can club it, product rule, no? You can club it dy dz dx plus dou by dou x into tau xx dy dz dx into dou u by dou x into dx. So please see for a moment what is it I have done. So the one term will get cancelled out with this. With this one, that one term will get cancelled. So first what you have to do is you multiply these two first two brackets. First two brackets you multiply it. In that this term and that first term get cancelled out, and the remaining term we have written here. That's it. Is it okay? So what is this? Can you tell me? Dou into, so work rate done per unit volume is therefore per unit volume means what? You have to just divide it by dy dx dy dz. So please write along with me. Work done, work rate done per unit volume is therefore ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ what is that? It will be dou by dou x into u into tau xx, correct, divided by volume means dx divided this will get cancelled out, plus see here dou by dou x into tau xx into what? Dou u by dou x into dx. Yes or no? Do you agree with me? No, what is this? Can you tell me? So since dx is very small, please look here. Listen guys, since dx, so write it here, since dx is very small, second term get cancelled out, second term is 0. Second term is 0. So this term will get cancelled out because it is very small. It's like almost 0. So 0 means everything will become 0. So finally we are going to end up with dou by dou x of u into tau xx. So like this, similarly you can write it here. Similarly, the work due to the forces in x direction on other surfaces. So what it will be, guys? Can you tell me? In x direction on the other surfaces will be what? Dou by of u into tau yx, comma, dou by dou z of u into tau zx. Is it okay, guys? Now next point. The work due to body forces will be what? The work due to body forces will be equal to rho into, so I am going to take this gx. So see, g andre bari velocity one, we can generalize it as body force consists of everything. Okay, so that I am taken it as x, capital X u plus capital X y v plus capital X ZW. So body force ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have taken potential as well as gravitational both. Okay guys, so we have not, because if we try to write G, then it will only be gravitational. So then what about potential term? So that's why everything included we have represented as X. That's it. Everywhere velocity also will be there. So we have just taken it as X. So you can consider body forces include, you can write it in bracket, body forces include gravitational and potential energy terms. Please write it in the bracket, otherwise you will get a confused, you will get a question afterwards. Okay, now I think we are in a position to write what is this thing for all the sum of total work. Okay, now we'll write it. Total work due to viscous forces on the control volume is equal to. So what is that? Come on. So shall we write it, guys? So see here, dou by dou x of u into tau xx plus dou by dou y of u into tau yx plus dou by dou z of u into, this is only in x direction, so plus y direction. Can you tell me similarly? Dou by of v into tau xy plus dou by dou y, sorry, this is dou by dou x, dou by dou y of v into tau yy plus dou by dou z of v into tau zy plus, this is in y direction. In z direction it will be what? Come on, tell me. Dou by dou x of w into tau xz. Correct? Plus, I'm writing it down. Please see here, dou by dou y of v into tau yz. Sorry, w, this is dou by dou z of w into tau zz. Okay, I think we have not given any number, no? ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವಪ್ಪ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ? 7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so you can call this as equation 8. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕರೀರಿ? ಬಾಡಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, equation 9 ಕರೀರಿ. Now you please call this equation as 10. Please call this equation as 10. This is for the total work due to viscous forces. Now I think we got that one term. Now please see here, this is not the end. U and V both are function of x. Yes or no? Now only how many components are there? 9 components are there, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 components. If we apply chain rule, it will be how much? If we apply chain rule and expand it, how many components will be there?
18.
18 components will be there. Correct? Now if you try to do it, that means if you try to expand it, you're going to get 18 components. And if you see, this is somewhat similar to your momentum equation. Okay, this is similar to your momentum equation. So we can do some sort of simplification. So please write along with me here. By chain rule, this 9 terms can be further expanded to expanded to 18 terms. Okay. That is, so you can write next point, part of the expanded terms is similar to momentum equation with the addition of body forces. With similar to momentum equation, you can write, that is, you can write it like this, that is, see, you will be getting it like this, u, okay, into dou by dou x of dou xx plus dou by dou y of dou yx plus dou by dou z of dou zx plus I'm writing it here, v into, all of you please observe it carefully, dou by dou x of dou xy plus dou by dou y of dou yy plus dou by dou z of dou zy plus w into dou by dou x of dou xz plus dou by dou y of dou yz plus dou by dou z of dou zz. So this equal to, that means complete thing equal to rho into u du by dt plus v into dv by dt plus w into dw by dt. So what is that we have done? No, we have x momentum, y momentum and z momentum equation. No, so that x, y and z we have added together, we are getting in this form. Do you agree with me or not? If you try to do that, if you try to add x, y and z momentum equation, and if you add all together, all x, y and z momentum equation, this is what we are going to get. So you can call this as equation 11, mechanical energy equation. Also you have plus body terms, please write it here, plus you have rho into x xxu plus xyv plus xzw. Okay, so now that is why, what is that we can do here is very simple. We can replace this, dou by tau xx, all these things. If you observe here, this is what our total this thing no is coming to be, tau xx etc. all these things. So therefore you can write it like this. Therefore equation, 1 second. So please observe, all of you, equation 10 and observe equation 11. So our equation 11 is from momentum equation. So please do it like this. Equation 10 minus RHS of equation 11. What is it you are going to get? Point 2 minus. Okay. So finally, see here. You're going to end up like this. Rho by 2, you can take it just for the case. It is du square by dt plus dv square by dt plus dw square by dt, which is equal to rho by 2 into du square by dt. Now, see here, what is that we can do now? Next, we know that already. This is all terms, so next you can write the remaining terms in the work, by viscous forces can be rearranged in the following form. So you're going to get in this form the remaining terms, that is tau xx into dou u by dou x plus dou, you just simply write it, I'll tell you afterwards, dou v by dou y plus tau zz into dou w by dou z plus tau xy into two terms get into the place now, dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x plus tau xz into dou u by dou z plus dou w by dou x plus tau yz into dou v by dou z plus dou w by dou y. Now, you can know that by using Stokes relationship, we know that you can just write like this, tau ig equal to minus p minus 2 by 3 mu into del of u bar delta ij. So this is in a tensor form, we can write it, okay? Like I have already given this form. That is what is the expression for tau xx and tau yy. tau xy and tau xx. That the same thing I'm writing in a different form. That's it. Okay. So don't get confused. The same relationship, whatever that I gave for sigma xx and tau xx, like tau xy, all those things I gave, na. The same thing I'm just writing it. So upon substitution of this again, this term will get again expanded, and if you try to apply the continuity equation assumption, incompressible fluid flow, and all those assumptions, you're going to end up with this following big equation. What is that? Please write it here. It is minus P into dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z plus, this is very, very important. You are going to end up with this. Finally, what is that we are trying to do? We are trying to represent what is the viscous force terms. Noted. So this final term you have to remember. You should not forget. Dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou y whole square plus dou w by dou z whole square plus I'm writing it here, mu into two terms comes into picture. What is that? Dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou z plus dou w by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou z plus dou w by dou y whole square. Now, please see here, whatever these terms are there, again you try to write it. I'll write it again in the bottom, whatever that I've done with the red color one. So I'll write it here, 2 mu into, please write this, very, very important one, 2 mu into dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou y whole square plus dou w by dou z whole square plus mu into two terms comes into picture, no, that also you write it again, dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou z plus dou w by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou z plus dou w by dou y whole square. This, please see here, this we will call it as viscous dissipation. So we are going to write it like this. We are going to call it as what? Viscous dissipation terms. Viscous dissipation term. So please write this. So this viscous dissipation term is always positive. Is it okay? Now, finally, we will now write the energy equation, which includes that conduction, convection terms. Please go to that first equation, whatever that we have wrote now, where all the energy. So therefore, you can write, therefore, the conservation of energy equation becomes conservation of energy equation for control volume becomes. So are you ready now? Shall we write the final equation? How the equation looks like? So LHS, you know already what is that? Rho into d by dt bracket of u dot, what is this, internal energy, plus capital U square divided by 2. This we know already. LHS we wrote, equal to what? sorry, equal to what? Dou by dou x of k into dou t by dou x plus dou by dou x of k into, sorry, dou by dou y of k into dou t by dou y plus dou by dou z of dou t by dou z. This is one term. Got it? This is for conduction terms. Conduction and convection terms both included. Yes or no? Plus, what will be the term? Plus rho by 2 into d by dt capital V square. So capital V square includes U, V and W both. Plus the viscous terms. Are you able to understand? So this is what the final equation of energy. Please put a box for this. Is it okay? Now you can see this. There are a lot of assumptions for incompressible flows. See here, rho into what is du by dt, guys? Du dot and internal energy is equal to, I can write it like this, rho Cp dt by dt. Okay, so I can write it like this. Yes or no? So I can directly write it like this. So you can write for incompressible flows. You write directly rho into Cp into dt by dt equal to, open this big bracket, dou by dou x of k into dou t by dou x plus dou by dou y of k into dou t by dou y plus dou by dou z of k into dou t by dou z plus what terms? Plus viscous terms. So I'm writing it like this. Please put a, for incompressible flows this term goes off now, you know already. We have done that. Rho into dv square by dt, the Laplace equation. So u into that, go off. So you know already. So you can see here, if you try to expand this, left hand side, you are going to end up with what? For steady flow. Okay, now write it here. For steady flow. No, we have not given any equation number. Please give equation number to this. 11 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. You please give this as 12 and finally this as 13, this as 14. So you write it here. For steady flow, equation 14 becomes for steady flow, equation 14 becomes. So I'm just expanding it. That's it. Nothing else. For steady flow with constant k. Okay. With constant k. That also please add. So you're going to end up with what? So if you explain dt by dt will be what? It will be dou t by dou t plus u into dou t by dou x. Like that it is going to be na material derivative. Please don't forget that. Okay. So then it will be what? So you can try to write it like this. So it will be what? U into dou t by dou x plus V into dou t by dou y plus W into dou t by dou z equal to alpha will come into picture. Why? Because rho Cp I am taking it to the RHS. So K by rho Cp. So here K everywhere constant, you can take it outside. So it will be alpha. Alpha is equal to what? K by rho Cp. Already you know that in your heat transfer equation. So U into dou t by dou x plus V into dou t by dou y plus W into dou t by dou z equal to alpha into what? Dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square plus dou square t by dou z square. See how beautifully we are going to get. Okay, so this is what the final equation for what? Study incompressible flow, energy equation. See, this you should not forget it. You should memorize it, and it is simple to memorize it. If anyone comes and asks you, please write the energy equation for study incompressible flow, then you should try to write it. And also you should remember this viscous dissipation terms. What is that? 2 mu into dou u by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou w by dou z, whole square, whole square, whole square. Then 2 terms comes into picture. So like this, we will be deriving it energy equation. So I know it will be a little confusing for you. See, please go home. Like, one more time, you are in home already. So please try to, one more time, please go through this. Okay, completely, please go through this complete expression. I know it is little bit big, but it is not so complex actually. Yeah, it is little bit complex than momentum equation, but it is not so difficult to understand. Just a small algebraic simplification we have done in the middle. That's it. I hope you have understood how energy equation. So please remember this final form. So we will be using this last form. So you can call this as equation 15. So this is what we will be using in most of our equations for calculation purpose, etc., etc. Okay, guys. So this actually ends your governing equation things in terms of control volume concept. So from next class, I will be introducing you a concept called Reynolds transport theorem. What is that? Reynolds transport theorem, and how to obtain all these equations, continuity, momentum, and energy through Reynolds transport theorem, which is very, very important, which a CFD student should know. That we will try to do it. Okay, after that, we will try to see how to solve these equations, these energy, momentum, and continuity equations. Is there a closed form solutions for some problems? We will see. If at all, if it is, how the solution can be obtained. That is not a numerical one, analytical solution I'm speaking. Okay, so we'll see those things in the later classes. So for time being, what is that you have to do is take a sheet of paper, try to derive continuity, momentum, and energy equation. Try to understand that. If you are having any doubt, please come back to me. So that is what you should be aware of right now. Is it okay? All the three derivations you should know without any doubt. And what are the terms involved in it? Please try to understand it. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. Bye.